Hi, everybody. This website I found is specific for ESL, ELL resources to succeed in school. So it's specific for if your school has a lot of ESL or ELL learners, and if you have the program in your school like I do, this website is really helpful, and I think it could be used to help educate teachers in the building to make sure we are all on the same page as far as how we are working with our students who are our ELL students. We have, at my school, we have, last I knew it was almost 20 different languages just at our one school. So I can only imagine what the rest of the country looks like. So this website, I really like it. This is the person who made the website. She gives lots of information. She explains the different levels of ELL learners. Here's some in-depth explanations and examples of, because it's not just ELL. There's lots of different ways to explain that. ESL, Education in the United States Today, Fast Facts. So there are some online universities available. And then also, so down here you go to resources. She has broken it up into student resources, parent resources, and teacher resources. And what you can do is you can kind of read a brief explanation what the resource is. While I've been playing with this website, all of the resources so far have been free, which I think is very helpful. When you go up here to the students one, I know I have students that have a hard time with written, or they have a hard time with oral, or both. So I like how she broke this up. So just for an example, you can click on this, and then it will send you to whatever website gives you the resource. This is one website that she uses a lot, the ESL Cyber Listening Lab, and it has lots of different quizzes that are made. There are lots of ads on here, but that is because it's allowing it to be free. So the student can click on quiz A, and then it has different themes. So a day at school is an example. And then it tells you the level, the topic, the length, then a pre-listening exercise, and then they would press play and be able to answer, and then they answer the questions. Now these are for the students who can listen and that helps them learn. But for the students who cannot even hear the language, there are also resources in her website for those students as well. Like I said, this website connects you to lots of different resources specific for ESL and ELL education.